Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to set Spotify song as a caller tune. So let's go. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open Spotify, and you want to go ahead and choose the song that you would like to set as your caller tune. So I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to select one of these songs. But before I actually push play, I want to go out here and I want to look for the standard app that came on my device, which is the voice recorder. Now, if you go into voice recorder, this is what it should look like more or less, depending on what Android version you are running. What I've done is I've downloaded a third-party voice recording app, which is called Smart Recorder. It looks like this, and the reason I've downloaded it is because it just gives me more recording options and it gives me better audio quality. So what I want to do is make sure that my volume is at about 70 to 80%, and you want to push record. It's the big red button in the middle of the screen. Now once you've pushed record, it'll run in the background. You can close it, go back into Spotify and push play on your song. Make sure that the environment that your device is in is a quiet environment so that it's only recording the audio from your Spotify account. And once it's done, you're going to go back in here and you're going to push stop. You'll now have the opportunity to rename this file. And what we want to do is go out here and into settings. Now, once we're in settings, we're going to go down and look for sound and vibration or ringtone, whichever device you're using, whichever Android version you're using, it may differ. You want to go to ringtone and choose the sim that you would like to set your ringtone on. And from here, you can see at the top, there is a plus button. You're going to tap on that plus button, look for the audio that you just recorded. You can also go ahead and you can search for it. You want to select it, and this will now be your caller tune. If this was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like. We'll see you next time.